In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite, a powerful tool for managing your social media accounts with ease and efficiency. Whether you're looking to schedule posts ahead of time or analyze your social media campaigns, Hootsuite has got you covered. Let's dive in and explore how to navigate through Hootsuite and make the most of its features. First up, you'll need to go to the Hootsuite website. It's crucial to start here because Hootsuite is your gateway to streamlining your social media management. Once you've arrived at their site, you'll notice the option to log in. If you're new to Hootsuite, you might have to go through the sign up process, but since we're focusing on using the platform today, we'll skip straight to logging in. Click on the login button. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. After entering your credentials, click on Sign In to access your Hootsuite dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center where you can access all of Hootsuite's features. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the three-dot icon. This icon often signifies more options or settings. Clicking on it will reveal various options, but for now, we want to focus on Stream. The Stream feature in Hootsuite is incredibly powerful for keeping an eye on your social media feeds all in one place. It allows you not just to monitor, but also to interact and respond directly from Hootsuite. After selecting Stream, you'll want to navigate to My Boards. Boards in Hootsuite help you organize your streams into customizable panels. Think of it as your personalized layout to monitor different social media channels or topics that matter most to you. Now, if you're looking to customize your streams or your boards, look for the arrow down icon, which essentially means there are more options to explore. Clicking this will show you several actions you can take, but for this guide, you're going to focus on Edit. Editing allows you to tailor your boards and streams, ensuring that you're always on top of the content that's most relevant to your interests or your brand's needs. Once you click on Edit, you'll likely want to edit your posts or adjust your streams further. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the content you plan to share or how you monitor your feeds. Look for the option to edit your post if you're looking to make changes to content you've already scheduled or are planning to. Finally, after you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with your post, it's time to share it with your audience. Type in your desired text for your post, and when you're ready, click Post Now. This sends your post live to the selected social media channels, allowing you to engage with your audience in real time. A few additional tips to enhance your Hootsuite experience include regularly reviewing your streams to ensure they're as efficient and effective as possible, utilizing Hootsuite's analytics to understand your audience better and improve your engagements, and scheduling your posts in advance to maintain a consistent online presence. Remember, social media management is an ongoing process. The beauty of Hootsuite is in its ability to simplify this process, giving you back valuable time that can be spent on strategizing or creating content. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or just getting started, knowing your way around Hootsuite is a step towards mastering your online presence. That wraps up our walkthrough on how to use Hootsuite. I hope this guide has made you more comfortable with navigating Hootsuite and empowered you to manage your social media with more confidence and strategy. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so dive in, explore, and make the most of what Hootsuite has to offer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your social media strategy.